Find more questions and study at your own pace on our website. The link will be in the description. Let's get started. Question 1. An IS auditor is reviewing a data conversion project. Which of the following is the auditor's best recommendation prior to go-live? Option A, automate the test of scripts. Option B, conduct a mock conversion test. Option C, review test procedures and scenarios. Option D, establish a configuration baseline. Conducting a mock conversion test is the best recommendation prior to go-live because it allows for a full-scale rehearsal of the data conversion process. This helps identify any potential issues or discrepancies that could arise during the actual conversion, ensuring that they are addressed beforehand. It also verifies that the conversion process works as intended and that the data integrity is maintained, which is critical for the success of the project. Question 2. When evaluating an information security risk assessment, what is most important to review to gain an understanding of how risk is reduced? Option A, inherent risk. Option B, residual risk. Option C, mitigation efforts. Option D, control effectiveness. To understand how risk is reduced in an information security risk assessment, it is most important to review control effectiveness. Control effectiveness measures how well the implemented controls are reducing or mitigating risk, providing a direct assessment of the impact these controls have on lowering risk levels. Question 3. An audit program indicates that a specific number of transactions are to be sampled for testing a particular control. However, it has been determined that the control design is deficient. What should the IS auditor do in response to this information? Option A, recommend a change to the audit program to increase the sample size. Option B, recommend a change to the audit program and testing methodology used. Option C, document the observation and the testing methodology used. Option D, notify audit management and continue to use the sample size. When a control design is found to be deficient, the IS auditor should recommend a change to the audit program and testing methodology used. Continuing with the originally planned sample size would not address the deficiency in the control design. By altering both the audit program and methodology, the auditor can better assess the impact of the deficient control and determine the necessary corrective actions. Question 4. During a vendor management database audit, an IS auditor identifies multiple instances of duplicate vendor records. In order to prevent recurrence of the same issue, which of the following is the IS auditor's best recommendation to management? Option A, run system reports of full vendor listings periodically to identify duplication. Option B, perform system verification checks for unique data values on key fields. Option C, request senior management approval of all new vendor details. Option D, build a segregation of duties control into the vendor creation process. The best recommendation to prevent the recurrence of duplicate vendor records is to perform system verification checks for unique data values on key fields. This approach proactively ensures that key fields, such as vendor IDs or tax identification numbers, remain unique when new records are created, thereby preventing duplicates from being entered into the system. Question 5. An OS auditor should ensure that an application's audit trail. Option A, has adequate security. Option B, is accessible online. Option C, does not impact operational efficiency. Option D, logs all database records. Ensuring that an application's audit trail has adequate security is crucial. This involves safeguarding the audit trail from unauthorized access, modification, or deletion, which is fundamental in maintaining the integrity and reliability of the audit trail. Without adequate security, the audit trail could be compromised, making it an unreliable source of information for audits and investigations. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to check out our website where you can find more questions for this exam. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching and good luck on your exams.